Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain how to enable direct deposit in Insta, which is Instawork. So to enable direct deposit in the Instawork app and receive your payment or earning directly into your bank account, follow this step. So the first thing to do as a step one is to open your Instawork app and log into your account. Then tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then from there, tap on the settings icon, which is the gear at the top right corner, and select the payment settings. So tap on add bank account, then add a debit card or change if you need, and update existing information. To ensure your bank account details included or including and the routing number together with the account number, then send your change to ensure your payment method is updated. And Instawork offers two payment frequency options, which is a weekly and an Insta pay. So weekly, which is an earning as the process every Wednesday for shifting completed at the previous Monday through Sunday. So refunds are typically available by Saturday depending on the app. So talking about the Insta Pay, after completing your second shift and waiting some 7 days, you become eligible for Insta Pay, allowing you to receive money shortly from a clocking out. Note that 5% expedited transaction fee applies to each Insta payment.